Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the boot animation on any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, just open the Themes app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search Surya. Now just download this theme. Now as you can see, I have already installed this theme on my smartphone. If you have not downloaded it yet, just tap on download. Now once you download the theme, just go back and tap on my account. Now from here, just tap on customize theme and tap on boot animation. Now as you can see, this is the current boot animation which is named classic. Now from here, just select the new boot animation which is named Surya. We just downloaded. Now from here, tap on apply. Now once you have done that, just press and hold the power button to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, just swipe down and reboot your smartphone. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for your smartphone to start rebooting. Now as you can see, this is how you can change the boot animation on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.